Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and use the Hospital Round List Sidebar. The Hospital Round List Sidebar provides extended functionality and information regarding the selected patient which you are treating in hospital. Through this sidebar, you can access a variety of features such as viewing patient information, editing hospital admission details, reviewing data account details, and more. Its primary function is to facilitate quick navigation to different screens via buttons. In this video, we will start on the Hospital Round List screen. For a more comprehensive explanation of the features and sections covered in this video, please refer to the user manuals linked in this video's description. Click on the desired case, which will open the Hospital Round List sidebar. At the top of the Hospital Round List sidebar, you'll find the patient's demographic information, including their file number, ID number, contact details, and medical aid information. Click on the Edit Hospital Round button to access the hospital admission screen that allows the user to edit the information of the selected case. Click on the Account Details button to access the Account Details screen. You are able to manage patient accounts, including creating invoices, checking balances, and reviewing billed invoices. To open and create a new invoice, click on the Invoice button. Click on the Patient File button to access the Patient File screen, which allows the user to access the patient's medical history. Once that patient has been discharged from the hospital, update your rounds list by clicking on the Discharge button. The case status will change to display the patient as discharged. An attention pop-up will appear, where you may finalize this process. Please be aware that the Discharge Hospital Round case will only be visible on the Hospital Round List screen if the case status filter is set to All or Discharged. Click on the Mark Visit as Cancelled button to allow you to keep a record that the current date's visit has been cancelled. An attention pop-up will appear, where you can select the reason for the cancellation by clicking on the Reason drop-down menu and selecting the applicable option. Once satisfied with your selection, click on the OK button. By clicking on the Last Missed Visit button, which is a drop-down menu, you can record any missed visits for accurate documentation. Click on the Capture Clinical Event button to capture a clinical event that will link to the selected case. Clicking on the Mark as Cancelled button will allow you to keep a record that the current date's visit has been cancelled. Click on the available Quick Event buttons to access your most commonly used clinical workflow events, which will be determined upon the setup of the practice.